the chicken and dumplings. So I'm gonna get to cooking. My mom always said that when my dad was sick with Crohn's disease and he almost passed away, she nursed him back to health with her chicken and dumplings. It was literally the only thing that he could keep down. So enough talking, let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're going to wash and skin our chicken. So I'm gonna use 4 split chicken breasts for this recipe. So we are gonna wash our chicken with lemon and vinegar. We're gonna clean off any other pieces off the chicken, any fat that we don't want. Alright, so now let's make the dumplings. We're going to use 2 cups of White Lily's self-rising flour. This includes your salt, your baking powder, your baking soda, so it skips a few steps. We're gonna add some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and do a 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of whole milk, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We're just gonna stir this up. And that's our dough for our biscuits. Okay, so we're gonna take the chicken out and remove the bone. To a hot pan, we're gonna add a 1/2 stick of butter. We're gonna add 2 cups of frozen peas and carrots. So you can cut these fresh if you want. Now we're not gonna completely defrost these. We're just gonna make sure that they're all coated in the butter. A 1/3 cup of flour. Now we're gonna put this mixture into our broth. I'm gonna add to this about 4 cups of wide noodles. I broke up the chicken some and we're gonna start adding that back to the pot. And it's gonna naturally just break up a little bit more as it cooks. Okay, so now that we're boiling, we're going to take our dumplings or biscuits and we're gonna drop them right on top. And we're gonna close this tightly and let that cook. And now what I like to do is take this and put it in the oven on 450 until they brown on the top. You can leave your chicken and dumplings in the oven for a little bit longer if you want them to be more brown on top, but this was good for me. Plate while hot. You should be able to get about 3 to 4 biscuits or dumplings per serving. This dish is so hearty and so good. Let me know in the comments